Okay, it looks like you're on the right track here. You found the moles for ammonia. That's right here. And then you found the moles for oxygen, which would be right there. And then what you need to do is do stoic for each one of those. So you're here for both of those. So you need to do a mole ratio to get over to here, because that's what they're looking for. And so for the ammonia one, you're going to take this number, yeah, and times it by 4 over 4. So this should be 4 over 4. So that'll change that number. And that will be moles of NO. Then you need to do this next step that you were doing there. But of NO, the molar mass for NO, nitrogen is 14.00 and oxygen is 16, so that'd be 30.01. So once you do this step, then you take that number and multiply it by 30.01 grams per mole, and that would tell you what the mass of nitrogen monoxide is produced. And then, see what that number is. Then do this one, so you've got the right number of moles here. And again, for this one, you have to multiply it. You're going from oxygen to here. So you multiply by 4 over 5, that's correct. And you come up with this number, and that's moles of, no, not moles of ammonia, that's moles of NO. So that's moles of NO. And then again, you'll take that number, this one's correct, and you multiply it by 30.01 grams per mole. And that'll tell you how many grams of nitrogen monoxide would be produced if you use the oxygen. And then you just compare the two and see which one's smaller. And the smaller one, I think, will be the oxygen one at 2.63 something. And that'll be your answer for letter B. Now the excess reactant one, I don't think I asked that on the exam, so don't worry about that part.